You can expect a lot from the 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Mercedes-Benz prioritized handling and performance with features such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, power front seats, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.